What up, Bafethu? Welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Bafethu. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share the video if you find the video informative. So guys, kunodatshana oluthinta kakhulukazi omunye wabafethu ngizothi omunye wabalisa base Pakistan, nationality yakhe lo mfo wase Pakistan. So la kunodaba oluthi ke lo muntu esangathi uye wasebenzisa isibhamu ukuthi adubule omunye wabasebenzi bakhe. Ngizokufundela nje lesiqeshana and then ke we continue nalo lolu daba. Okay, there was an incident lapaya, a recent incident in Verulam, KwaZulu-Natal, where a man was shot and killed. The incident occurred during a parking dispute in the Verulam CBD. Okay, the victim, a 25-year-old man, was shot twice in the chest and once in the shoulder. The altercation started when the victim and his colleague parked their truck on the driveway of a business premises, leading to a confrontation with the driver of a white Isuzu Buggy and two acquaintances. Yeah, so guys, la ungathola kahle futhi khona lolu daba ilaphana ke ku Times Live na ku Arrive Alive. So those are the websites where you can find this. Okay, I used them as a reference where you can find these news. So lapha ke bafethu ngiyaku-understand ukuthi ke kube ne-dispute kwaba mhlawumbe altercation leyo ungazwani phakathi kwalabantu bobabili, but then ke yini eyingozi kangaka ukuthi ungaze ukhiphe isibhamu kuyi-parking, nibanga i-parking, ukuthi ungaze ukhiphe isibhamu udubule umuntu, yabo yini mhlambe ebisinzima kangaka ukuthi omunye, ngoba phela ku right ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi enye into vele uyidubu uyeke usuke lapho uhambe, yabo. And another thing futhi lento le igcina idala ungazwani because yabo lo muntu njengoba kuwumuntu okufika la angeke le business lakhe ngeke liqhubeke lapha kuleyo ndawo le enzele khona lento ayenzile. Angiboni ukuthi lizokwazi ukuqhubeka ibusiness lakhe. Why? Because usezithathele isinqumo sokuthi leli business leli analo alingabe lisaqhubeka. Nikhumbule phela ukuthi la eSouth Africa once yabo nje kwaba kade kunalento yokuthi ke ama foreigners nani yabo nje ngiyakhumbula nje, angifuni ukuthi ngibe into details mhlambe ngingaze ngikhuluma amagama mhlambe ke wrong yabo, kodwa abantu bokufika esikhathini esiningi most yabo njengamanje due to ukushoda kwemisebenzi abantu abaningi abasabathandi, and wena futhi at the same time kuthi kunjalo uthatha isinqumo sokuthi vele ungathandwa even more, yabo. So lolu daba nje lwenza ukuthi labantu laba bokufika bazondeke even more, cause why? Lo muntu lo uyizambane elibolile, you cannot just shoot umuntu nje noma ekuphi noma kanjani just because inibanga iparking. Nothing serious, not unless ke mhlambe kade baqala ukuxabana labantu noma ukulwa, yabo. There might be something else abayibangayo which thina singayazi mhlambe, because phela if kuyi-parking labo bobabili besebenzela khona, that means there's something more esingayazi abayibangayo, yabo. Nalento yokuthi once wagxobeka wena ayususebenzisa i-power because une-source, yabo, ongakwazi ukuyisebenzisa. For instance nje une-weapon efana nesibhamu. This is not okay bafethu. But then again, you can tell me what you think mayelana ke mhlambe ke naso lesenzo salo mlisa wasePakistan ukuthi ke agcine ethathele isinqumo sokuthi ke edubula umuntu lapha ke kwi-parking. Anyways, don't forget to like this video bafethu. I'm hoping to hear lentuzana ama views enu mayelana nalo lolu daba, yabo. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to this channel. Danko. So yeah bafethu, okunye I'll just read ama comments la kulolu daba lolu, and then ke ungiphe nawe mhlambe ke ama views akho ukuthi ke wena what do you think will happen or should have happened. Right, sinophakamani Mthembu uthi Phakamani, hawu lapho ngeke enziwe lutho, bavikelwa okudlula thina, ubulawe umuntu okubhalisa ke 80 rand ngosuku. Okay, ubulawe umuntu okubhalisa u80 rand ngosuku. ISouth Africa ifuye yonke nje imidlwembe, maningi ama-terrorist adrayise ngezitolo zamafoni nama-tuckshop, kanti simthola nini president ufana noDonald Trump ozosixoshela-ke labantu, kusho laphana-ke uNtando wakwaPhewa. Uthi-ke uLandiwe Shabangu, sicela-ke abantu baseVerelem benze inkonzo yokuxoxa nalo leli Pakistan. Right, that's what I'm thinking ukuthi ke abantu into abazogcina nje beyenza iyo leyo, yabo. I wonder ngangingabi uthini lo, ngabi okwelinye izwe. Hayi sometimes mfethu yabo mongakwazi ukubhala ungavele ungacomment okungcono, because manje ujika umuntu umfundisa into engekho, yabo. Because lo muntu lo uyabona ukuthi ubefuna ukuthini, but kwesinye isikhathi yazi right, asichubeke. Kodwa ke yagcina iphelele phi indaba yabo yokubuyela ke emakubo labantu, kusho ke lapha uNokuthula Khumalo. Exactly, that's what I was saying ukuthi ke yabo nje once wenza into ebhedayo kanti vele usendaweni la ungasadingeki khona, there will be much more of izinto ke eziyizici, futhi uzobe usuqhatha nabanye abantu ke abangahlangene naleyo nto. For instance, la lo mPakistan wenza into esisparka manje that's negative energy towards abanye abakwezinye indawo nani, yabo. So I don't know what else bafethu ke engingakuphawula ngalolu daba, but then you can comment down below. Thank you.